The Lost Kitten. In a cozy neighborhood nestled between tall trees and colorful houses, there lived a group of friends, Emma, James, and their curious dog, Max. One bright morning, as they played in the park, they heard faint meowing coming from the bushes. Following the sound, they discovered a tiny, lost kitten. The kitten seemed scared and alone. Emma gently scooped it up. Cradling it in her arms, they decided to help the kitten find its home. With Max's nose to the ground and James leading the way, they ventured through the neighborhood, asking everyone if they knew the kitten's owner. Despite their efforts, no one seemed to recognize the kitten. As the sun started setting, worry crept into their hearts. Would they have to spend the night in the park with the kitten? Just when they were about to give up for the day, they heard a familiar voice calling out, "Snowball, where are you?" It was Mrs. Jenkins from the bakery down the street. She had been searching for her missing kitten, Snowball, all day. The friends rushed over and handed Snowball to Mrs. Jenkins. Tears of joy welled up in her eyes as she hugged the kitten tightly. She thanked Emma, James, and Max profusely for finding her beloved pet. Mrs. Jenkins was so grateful that she invited the friends for cookies at her bakery as they nibbled on delicious treats. They shared stories and laughter. Mrs. Jenkins promised to bake them cookies every week as a token of her gratitude. As the evening came to an end, Mrs. Jenkins told the friends tales of her own adventures when she was their age. She promised to take them on a treasure hunt the following weekend. With hearts full of happiness and excitement for the upcoming adventure, Emma, James, and Max said their goodbyes and returned home, knowing that helping others had led them to a new friendship and a promise of even more adventures ahead.